It's a private common law irrevocable ecclesiastical trust with 501c3 nonprofit status. Okay, that's a lot of technical jargon. Just meaning private means you start it yourself. Common law is the golden rule. Irrevocable, you can't go back on your promise to keep your assets in this trust. In fact, revocable trusts are seen as tax shams, and it's an ecclesiastical trust like a church. Protect your assets. Judgment proof. No matter who sues you from now on, you never have to pay them a dime. No, because you have nothing, right? That's right, everything's in the trust. No real estate taxes. You could apply to get any real estate, put it in the trust, so you apply to get your real estate taxes removed for any real estate. And then the helicopter money, you got to get your trust credit profile correct the way we showed in the past. So we got the EIDL and PPP money for everywhere.